Oxford Discover, Student Book 4 by Kathleen Kampa and Charles Valina.
Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and doing well and enjoying your e-classes and e-lessons and doing your home tasks with responsibility. I am Saman Ijaz, your English instructor. This video lesson is for grade 4 assignment 17. So students, this is our part 2. Now, moving towards our Oxford Discover student book, page number 48. Unit 5, Get Ready. So, first of all, we have been given words. What you have to do is to listen to me very carefully and repeat the words after me. Words. Listen and read the words. Listen again and say the words. Sugarcane. Wheat, cinnamon, butter, vanilla. Ingredients: bark, plantation, steamship, spoil, leopard. Now, moving towards our part B. Match each clue to a word. Write the correct letter. So students, here we have been given 8 words and there are clues. What we have to do is to match the clue with its appropriate word. Now let's do the first one. This is alive and can be dangerous. So, let's read our options. Steamship, plantation, sugarcane, leopard. Now leopards are alive and they are dangerous. So in front of the blank we are going to write D. Moving towards our part C. What foods have butter, vanilla or cinnamon? Why do you think foods have these ingredients? Talk about your answers with your partner. Now students, think about the foods that have got butter, vanilla or cinnamon. Cinnamon rolls. They have got these 3 ingredients and they are very tasty. These ingredients enhance the flavor in our foods. So you have to think about the foods and write them and discuss them with your family members. Now moving towards our next page. So students, I hope you enjoyed listening the audio text and I hope you enjoyed the breakfast quest. Now here I am going to briefly explain you what was happening in the story. This story is about making the granny's famous cinnamon buns. Have you ever eaten cinnamon buns? I simply love them. Now, for in this story, the search for making the cinnamon buns started when the author and their sister Sam started getting the ingredients. First of all, they got on the bike and went to Farmer's Ray to get eggs. From there, Farmer Ray gave them the direction to get butter from Denmark and the heartiest wheat from France. In this way, they travelled up to Denmark to get butter and wheat from France. They travelled to Madagascar to have sugarcane and cinnamons. Then they loaded everything, that is all the ingredients, the cow, chicken on a steamship and headed back home. So the famous and extremely delicious granny buns were ready, gathering ingredients from all around the world, and everyone enjoyed them a lot. Now moving towards our next page. That is page number 52. Comprehension. Think. What makes this story funny? Tell your partner about 3 funny events in the story. Then tell your partner if you think these events could really happen or not. So, now what you have to do is to discuss this story with your family members and tell them what are the funny events you find in this story. moving down towards our part A. Match the food to where it comes from. Use information from the story. You have to draw a conclusion to match some of the items. Now, here we have been given where do they come from? Eggs. So what do you think? Where do eggs come from? Do eggs come from cows? Bark? Chickens? Yes, eggs come from chickens. So we are going to match 1 with C. In this way, you have to attempt the next ones. Moving down towards our part B. Answer the questions. Why does the boy go to so many different places? Now think about why the boy was traveling to different places. To gather ingredients, to get the best ingredients around the world. How did everyone get from Denmark to France? Read the unit and find out how did they got from Denmark to France. Why did the boy climb a tree in Madagascar? Now, the boy climbed the tree to get the cinnamon bark. So students, we are going to discuss these questions as well in our e-classes. Moving down towards our part C. Words in context. Match each verb to a definition. Now here we have been given 4 verbs. We have to match them with their appropriate definitions. First one, gather. Now let's read our options. To meet someone and tell them your name. To come or bring together in a group. Now gather means to come or bring together in a group. So we are going to match 1 with our option B. So students, I hope you are able to do the next matchings. So students, I hope you all enjoyed this video lesson. I will meet you next time with another very interesting and amazing video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.